How's it going? I'm here for day 168 of Fergal's Tune Today. I'm going to play a tune today that was requested by Shelley Connolly. She got in touch to say she learnt this tune, which is called The Cornhill Reel. She learnt it from Oisin McDiarmid in 1998. Very accurate with her details. And it's a great reel. I wasn't aware of it until this evening. So thanks for the request. And I'll give it a go. See you tomorrow for day 169.